Slow down, bebe. Okay. Stop pushing the chair. We're going back this way. I know. Back this way. No, we have to put it back this way. Come on. Back, back. Good boy, bebe. Okay. Now you can push it again. Stuck. You're stuck. Okay. Good turn. Careful. Is that your walker now? Your red IKEA chair? Careful. What is it? Where are you going? Say bye-bye. Can we say bye-bye? Bye-bye. You're gonna be stuck, my boy.
I got.
Do you want to switch it for that other chair? I think it's the same color. Bye-bye. Are you rearranging our furniture? Are you stuck again? You're stuck again, boy.